Is your D-Bot Ozmo 950's mopping feature more of a dry run than a wet clean? If your trusty robot is leaving your floors high and dry, you're not alone. The no water. During mopping issue, often due to a faulty water pump, is a common problem we see with the Ecovacs D-Bot Ozmo 950. Inside your Ozmo 950, there's a tiny water pump responsible for dispensing the water during mopping. Over time, this pump can fail, resulting in a dry mop pad and frustrating you. Ignoring this water pump issue won't just leave your floors unmopped. It'll render one of your robot's core features completely useless. It will eventually make it harder to clean your house and add extra stress to your day. But don't worry, RoboCare has the solution. At RoboCare, our experienced technicians know exactly how to handle this. We start by carefully disassembling the robot to access the water pump. We use specialized tools to test the pump and determine if it needs repair or replacement. We ensure we're using genuine replacement parts to guarantee the best performance. Our attention to detail means we can get your Ozmo 950 back to mopping like a pro. Getting your Ecovacs D-Bot Ozmo 950 repaired with RoboCare is easy and convenient. For customers in Klang Valley, you can drop your robot off at our service center in Kota Damansara, where our friendly technicians will take care of you. If you're not in the area, we offer a reliable courier service to make repairs hassle-free wherever you are in Malaysia. But let's see the results RoboCare has achieved for our satisfied customers. Look at that! The Ecovacs Ozmo 950 is back to mopping like a pro, leaving your floors sparkling clean. No more dry runs, just perfectly mopped floors. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience?
I'm really impressed with RoboCare. My D-Bot Ozmo 950 is back to its mopping best. It's like it never even had a problem. The RoboCare service was professional, knowledgeable, and incredibly easy to deal with. They saved me a lot of stress, a lot of time, and definitely money.
Let RoboCare get your robot vacuum working like new. Contact RoboCare today and let us take care of your robot vacuum repair needs.